Productions. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Valerie, and I have a little co-host that's named Violet. I'll show you where she's at right now. She's got a new little spot there. And she's normally up here with my videos, but we're in a different spot, guys. So, I got one of my spare bedrooms cleaned out, and I think I'm going to use this as one of my shooting areas, like filming areas in my house. So, we'll see how this works out today, and then we'll go from there, all right? So, guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and if you've seen by the title, thumbnail, we are going to talk about Scentsy's new release for today, April 18th. We are talking about the Nhl Collection that Sentsy has brought out. I guess they had this collection out once before in the mini warmers, and it was a great hit, so they decided to bring it out in a little bit bigger collection. Okay, so this is the Nhl Collection. It's available April 18th, which is today, at 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. Eastern, and I think that's 8:30 to 9:30 Pacific time. And any other time zones, guys, you'll have to Google it and figure it out, okay? Sorry. The queuing system is going to be in place, so queuing, whatever, however you say it, which means that when you go on my website to shop, instead of going right to the website, they're going to put you in line. They're going to put you in a line, and you have to wait your turn. But just stay there, okay? Don't click anything. Don't refresh or anything. Just stay there in that area, and then when it's your turn, they'll get you in there. All right, so it's actually not as bad as I did it before, and I didn't think it was as bad as I thought it sounded. So, guys, what is available in the Nhl Collection? The first item is the Nhl Collection Scentsy Warmer. It's a full-size warmer for $45. And I guess there's a lot of different teams that you can choose from, and I'm going to picture some of those there. And they'll also be at the end of the video. I'm going to do a like a slideshow for you guys so you can see all of the items that are available, because there's a lot, and I didn't want to show every single thing individually, okay? The next item that is in the collection is the Nhl Collection Scentsy Mini Warmer for $30. Now, the mini warmers are what's actually just plugged into the wall, but you can get the adapters to where you can put them on and put them on a table base. And just be careful when you're purchasing the adapters that you make sure that you're getting it for the correct mini warmer. There's some for ceramic and there's some for glass, and I'm not sure which ones these are, but I'm not sure if these are glass or ceramic, but it should say on the website, okay? Also, the last item in the Nhl Collection is the Nhl Fresh Ice Scentsy Bar, and it is $6.50. It did not give me notes on here, so I don't know what it smells like. The notes should be in the website as well, so when you click on it, it'll take you, just show you the notes of it, what scent it is and that kind of stuff. But it didn't show me. That's kind of weird. I think last time it did. So these are all listed in the Collections tab under Licensed Collections. All right, so you can go to the menu, go to Licensed Collections, and then it should, or go to Collections, and then Licensed Collections. And I think I'm telling you right. I'm not sure. But just look for those, okay? And then you can find it. You guys are smart enough. Okay, and also the bars, you can add the bars into a 3-pack and a 6-pack under Licensed Scentsy. Scentsy. I can't read my own writing here, guys. 3-pack and 6-pack Licensed Scentsy. I don't know. I'm not sure. It has to be under the Licensed Scentsy Bundle and Save. Okay, it has to be under the licensed bars, bundle and save. You can do 3-packs, you can do 6-packs. I think the 6-packs are $30. So you either get like 5 bars, you pay $6 a piece for 5 bars, and you get the 6th one free, or it's $5 a piece for each bar, whichever way you want to look at it. So guys, that is the NHL. Yeah, that's the NHL collection. That's not a huge collection, but it's a little something something. So, going live today, so get on there if you're interested. Get your favorite team. It's kind of cool, you know, to be able to watch your team and then to have your Scentsy warmers going and having the, you know, licensed bar warming and get you even more in the mood, and you know, you got your t-shirts or on and whatever you guys do and snacks, and so it'd be fun to do stuff like that. So if you're into the NHL, definitely look that up. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I got many more to do because there's been tons of releases. And I thought about lumping them all together, but I thought, some people may not be interested in everything. So and that way I'll just do, I'm doing them each separate, even if they're just a few minutes here and a few minutes there. So I'm going to get out of here. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I hope you guys all had a great Easter. And we did. We had a really, really nice Easter. And yeah, so if you are already subscribed, give me a thumbs up. Comment, like, comment, thumbs up, all that fun stuff. Share. If you're new here and you like this video, we do all kinds of videos. We do Scentsy, we do all kinds of stuff. So you can go through my playlist and see, you can go through my channel and see what all we do. If you like that stuff and it sounds interesting to you, then click the subscribe button before you leave. Click the notification bell to make sure you're notified of all my new uploaded videos. And guys, we're growing. We're at 610 subscribers. So thank you also very, very much for subscribing and being part of my family. I do really, really appreciate it. So I'm going to get off of here, guys. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.